Experience the vibrant pulse of Nottingham's student life at the luxurious Triumph House, a popular student accommodation in the city of Nottingham. Tucked away in the bustling Triumph Rd Lenton, this exceptional residence offers a diverse range of ensuite and studio apartments tailored to suit every preference and budget. Each apartment at Triumph House features 5 to 10 beautifully furnished ensuite rooms, complete with a comfortable bed, ample wardrobe space, smart TV, study area, and private ensuite bathroom, complemented by an exclusive luxe lounge. The luxe lounge is adorned with modern communal living areas and fully equipped kitchen, providing the perfect setting for shared moments. No matter which room you go for, you'll be benefited from all utility bills included, access to on-site gym, wellness spa, entertainment area, study rooms, outdoor area, bike storage, super-fast Wi-Fi, 24/7 staff on site, postal service, regular social events, maintenance, and much more, all included in the rent. With its close proximity to the University of Nottingham, University Park campus, and the University of Nottingham International College, students can seamlessly balance their academic pursuits with leisure activities. Immerse yourself in Nottingham's captivating cultural heritage, where tales of Robin Hood intertwine with a legacy of lace-making. From the iconic Nottingham Castle to the serene Wollaton Hall and Deer Park, indulging in local cuisines nearby or enjoying a coffee at nearby cafes like 200 Degrees Coffee Shop and Barista School, Triumph House Nottingham promises a vibrant community experience. Don't miss out on being part of this vibrant student community at Triumph House. Book your room at amberstudent.com today.